Here is the full-length spoken voiceover script reviewing the 215-inch touchscreen monitor. The 215-inch touchscreen monitor packs an incredible 24-inch touchscreen display into a single, compact unit, perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace with a cutting-edge interactive solution. Can you imagine having a monitor that lets you control your computer with gestures, swipe through documents with ease, and interact with videos in a whole new way? That's exactly what this monitor offers. Just think about how much time you'll save not having to click and tap on tiny buttons. It's like having an extra pair of hands at your desk. But what really sets this monitor apart is its incredible specs. Let's start with the touchscreen display itself. It's designed for comfortable operation, with a spacious 10-point multi-touch function that lets you zoom, swipe, and drag with precision and ease. One of my favorite features is the adjustable stand. It's like having your own personal assistant at your desk. With height adjustment, pivot, swivel, and tilt options, you can customize the monitor to fit your needs. Whether you're working from home or in a busy office setting, this stand makes it easy to get into position. But what really impresses me is the display itself. The 178 degrees wide view angle means that no matter where you sit, you'll have a crystal clear view of the screen. And with 100% sRGB color gamut and 3000:1 high contrast VA panel, the colors are rich and vibrant, perfect for video playback, spreadsheets, or just browsing your favorite websites. And let's not forget about the audio. The dual 5W built-in speakers provide clear and crisp sound, making it perfect for meetings, training videos, or just enjoying your favorite podcasts. Plus, with clean cable management, you'll have a tidy and organized workspace that looks professional. But here's the best part: this monitor is designed to be flexible. It comes with HDMI, Type-B, and VGA ports, so you can connect it to any device you need, from laptops to tablets or even gaming consoles. Just note that touch functionality might not work on certain devices. Overall, this 215-inch touchscreen monitor is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace. With its incredible touchscreen display, adjustable stand, and crystal-clear audio, it's the perfect solution for interactive software, PC-based touch control, or even just having more fun with your favorite games. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get this amazing monitor at an unbeatable price. Trust me, you won't regret it.